So I'm Tom Ballier with Car-O-Liner Company. We're here at the 2015 SEMA show. We're showcasing the Speed Machine here at the Car-O-Liner booth. The machine can be done above ground, and we have a ramping system here to help get the low profile cars up and over the machine so we don't catch those low valances on the machine itself. We can recess the machine into the ground, so it's a real ergonomical solution, doesn't take up any floor space. This machine is designed a little bit more for light duty work, 5-ton pulling capabilities. It has a 5,500 pound lift. The swing out arms for the lifting pads help support the car so we can pick it up anywhere we need. They're modular, they travel down the side of the bench. So we have a complete solution for either way you need to be set up in the shop. So with the Speed Rack, you have the versatility of pulling at either end of the machine. This model in particular only has the pulling up towards the front, and also adding the side adapter allows you to get down the side of the car. The customers really enjoy using equipment like this. Again, it gets that car up to a real comfortable working height. It's very simple to operate, very simple to use. It's quick, it's easy. It gets those lighter jobs in and out of the shop quicker. And we can have really good results with this in very quick time, hence the name, the Speed Rack. For more information on the Car-O-Liner Speed Rack or any of our other products, contact your local distributor or visit our website at www.caroliner.com.